Reporting live from a scaffolding tower in North London because our whole roof is gone. And what we found was not good. We're renovating our Victorian loft room, which not only includes making over the inside, but completely removing and replacing the roof too. Inside, we revealed this beast of a fireplace by accident. Then a few days later, giant scaffolding arrived. The house was prepped for full protection from dusty boots, and having scaffolding put up felt very grown up. Managed to arrange and pay for it without a single telephone call though. Anxiety wins again. A tin hat over the top means works can go on even if it rains. And have you ever actually stood up on your own roof? It's giving chimney, it's giving step in time. Then a skip landed on the road and the builders came to get the roof gone and rebuilt, and in just a few days it was all off and our house looked like this. Not a single roof tile to speak of. And look what we found between the rafters. Some vintage ciggies from around 1900. But somehow it got wilder. The internal walls and ceilings were removed on day 2 and left us with this. Literally nothing. Just look at how rickety this dormer was. Next time you ask us to keep an original feature because it has history, please remember this clip. But before everything kicked off, at the very last minute, I kept some cuts of the gazillion different bits of lino that were on the floor, and I'm not sure what to do with these, but just keeping them for the memes for now. And next time we'll hopefully have some sort of roof back on here. I don't know. See you then, Hans.